Kamusta guys? Samahan niyo ako mag-react dito sa cover song ng bandang Mission Souls, ang malupit na banda from Cebu City. Ito yung Melt With You na cover nila ng Modern English. Huwag na natin pagtagalin pa guys. Sama-sama tayo manood, makinig at mag-react. First time ko palang mapapakinggan tong kanta na to ng Modern English. Ganda na intro. Nakakaindak.
Moving forwards using all my breath. Making love to you was never second best. I saw the world thrashing all around your face.
Naka-telecaster si Nisha ngayon Yung gitara ni Stacy, no? Electric guitar siya yung may gamit. Acoustic naman yung hawak ni Stacy.
Never really knowing it was always meshless. I'll stop the world and melt with you. You see the difference and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing you and I won't do.
Stig talaga pumalo ni Ice. Tsaka ang dami niyang cymbals, Iba-ibang klase yung kanyang cymbals. Ang gaganda ng tunog. Siljan yung tatak.
Stop the world and melt with you. Dream of better lives, the kind which never hates. You should see. Dropped in a state of imaginary grace. You should know that.
Ang ganda ng effects ni Nisha dito, yung ginamit niya effects, Parang bihira niya gamitin yung ganitong klaseng effects. Yung wawa. Ganda ng tunog.
Made a pilgrimage to save this human's race. You should see. Never comprehending the race had long gone by.
Yun, no? Meron silang harmony dito, guys.
I'll stop the world and melt with you. Let's stop the world. You've seen the difference and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing new and
Si Naces, nagba-backup habang nagpa-piano. Napaka-talented, no? Naces.
let's stop the world. I'll stop the world and melt with you.
Ganda rin ang boses ni Naces, Pati si Nisha, pag nagba-backup kay Stacy, maririnig mo yung ganda ng boses nila.
The future's open wide.
Ang galing nung ginagawa ni Nisha doon, no? Yung kanyang tapping, no? Ang husay talaga ni Nisha. Ang dami niyang technique talaga na alam sa gitara.
I'll stop the world and melt with you. Let's stop the world. I see some changes and it's getting better all the time. There's
Si Daddy Second, chill-chill lang yung kanyang pagbe-bass. Pati si Mami Sheena.
nothing new and I won't do. Let's stop the world. I'll stop the world and melt with you.
Ganda ng tunog ng keyboard ni Naces.
The future's open wide.
Ano bang klaseng genre to? Itong kanta ng Modern English, guys. Sa mga nakakaalam, i-comment nyo lang guys sa ating comment section. Ako kasi first time ko lang narinig to itong kanta na to. yung Melt With You. Pero ang ganda. Panalo.
I'll stop the world and melt with you. You see the difference and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing new that I won't do. Let's stop the world. I'll stop the world and
Parang may pagka new wave, ano? Yung tugtugan nila dito.
melt with you. Let's stop the world. I'll stop the world and melt with you. I'll stop the world and melt with you.
Solid talaga ng bandang to. Grabe. Ayun, oh. Simple lang yung patapos, ano, isang bagsak lang. Galing. Napaka-solid talaga ng bandang Mission Souls, grabe. And guys, ano pa hinihintay nyo sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa kanilang channel? Andiyan po sa ating description yung kanilang channel, guys. Panoorin nyo yung mga cover song nila. Napakalulupit, guys. At sa mga hindi pa rin nakasubscribe sa ating channel, mag-subscribe na kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod pa nating i-upload. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.